Garage door repair cost in South Florida. Let's break it down. All right, guys. So my name is Omri from Joe's Doors. Again, we're a local dealer for most of the big brands that you know of garage doors in South Florida. And we do also repairs. So it's really important because we got a lot of clients calling us, texting us on Meta, asking questions about what the cost of a garage door repair. And I want to say something really clearly that in most cases, for the repairs that you guys are calling and wanted us to come, a simple tune-up would just solve most of the issues, even if the problem is already happening or even if the problem is not yet happening. So you want to go and do a tune-up for your door and do it every 6 to 12 months, and you want to have a professional doing it for you, okay? Now, when we come to do a tune-up, it's only $99 that we have an ongoing promotion. Right now it's ongoing. We're in January 24, but I believe it will be for at least the rest of the year. We come and we lubricate the door, we inspect the door, we tighten up all the moving parts, we even up the springs. It just makes wonders for the door, really. It makes it work efficiently and quietly, much more than what it was before, and it's going to make the life of the door and the parts much longer, and it's going to be good for the door and for everybody's safety. So this is just a note on the side. Now let's move on for the actual repairs and how much they cost. So first thing are the garage door springs. Okay, garage door springs are oftenly broken, and it is what it is. If you're doing maintenance for the door, as I said before, if you're doing annual or semi-annual tune-ups, it will make the springs last longer. But if they're broken, we're talking about, and then again, it's roughly because we gotta come to the place. Let us come, okay? We give a free estimate for springs, and then we remove the untightening the springs, and then we have to measure it to give it the exact quote. But if you want a ballpark, it's around $175 to $275 per spring. Of course, we gotta take some labor on top of it because we're talking about professionals who are doing the jobs. Next repair that we have very often are the rollers. Okay, sometimes the rollers looks like this, or sometimes they look even like this, which is pretty bad. You see here, they're very old rollers and they're very noisy. So you want to replace them for silicone rollers that we're selling. These silicone rollers are beautiful, as you can see. They come with a few length, and again, the price for the roller, each roller runs between I'd say $12 to even $25 and $30. It depends what type of roller is it. So make sure have us to come and tell you exactly what roller do you need. And if you want to have the door work efficiently and quietly, this is what you want to replace. What else do we have that happening a lot is the of course, the safety cables, right? This is another picture. If you see the safety cables of the garage looks like this, you want to replace it, okay? This is very, very important. They call it safety cables because it's for your safety. And if you want to have a safety environment in your garage, if you have kids running around and stuff like this, or pets, or yourself, or your car, you want the door to be able to stand and not fall down if the spring is broken, for example, or if the opener cannot hold the door and it just wanna fall down. So these safety cables are very important for you. Please make sure if it's already snapped, of course we're gonna come and replace it. We're talking about $150 to $250. It depends. Price always changes. If we can come and do a few things together, then we can save some on the trip cost. Of course, we have some gas involved and also the time for the professional to get your property. And as I said, we're talking about the cables. Also, price varies if different heights of door. So for 7 feet high, 8 feet high, 9 feet high doors, different prices. But as a ballpark, you can look at $150 to $250 for the cable replacements. We always do a tune-up when we do this one as well, obviously. These are 3 most common issues that people are facing with. Again, please give us a call whenever you have an issue with your garage. We'll give you a free estimate and do regular tune-ups. Thank you very much for your time. If you have more questions, you can call us or text us and we will be here for you.